market just opened like 2 minutes ago, and I'm gonna talk about what I marked out for the day, and I'm gonna go quick because I wanna kind of enter this position. I'm waiting on this reaches on the fair value gap. If it breaks through the fair value gap, it's probably gonna go longs, and these are the targets for longs today. Go to the 1 hour. So either this one up here, this one, and this one, like around these. Those would be the targets for today. If it ends up respecting it and it just retests from this fair value gap, the goals or like the targets are London lows, Asia lows. I wouldn't consider Asia lows that much because they're really close to each other, but I would just wherever it touches first to be safe. I would probably close partials and then target where kind of market open. This is on a higher time frame, so it just looks like this. On a 1 minute, it looks a bit different. Yeah, it's kind of making a small SMT on the higher time frames. It's almost like last week. Yeah, we had an SMT, and that's why around these patterns it just started dropping and we started all the way down here. But regardless, right now we're still waiting on confirmation. Kind of want to wait for a 5 minute confirmation, and we kind of had it, but it's pretty strong. It's really respecting this area. If I am anticipating, I'll just wait. I really just wait. If it breaks through it and then continues, then we would go longs. But we're still waiting on what's going on. Market just opened like 4 minutes ago. I have a lot of questions, or I get a lot of questions of like what time should I trade or what time does the market open. New York time would be 9:30, but I live in Dallas, or you could check on any other thing. I live in Dallas, so for me, 9:30 or 9 on a time zone would be 8. So um, never before 9. So yeah. Anyways, we're still waiting on this fair value gap. If it does get if it does get disrespected, it's still easy longs. We already know the targets. We could either put partials or kind of close them. But yeah, let's go to the higher time frames so we can see what's really going on. Because I do not have a bias just yet. But as of now, I think we're just gonna break through the structure of this. We don't, then we take shorts. So, Forex track. Oh, yeah, this kind of looks like longs. We're gonna check it for a bit. Gonna rest. If it breaks through, then that's gonna be stop loss. Target should be this first, but it's too much risk for a little win. So yeah, this is where I check my news. I did not check news this morning. Where is it today? Oh, it's already filtered. So what I do, I just click for this one, the red one. I allow all of these, and then I on click all of these just for the US. The USD, yep, it broke. I think we're gonna enter longs. The targets are these. These are the biggest ones, but if it's retesting a lot or like if it's like really slow, my target should be this one, this one. Let's ignore the other long or short positions. That's the only thing I don't delete, so I can just check to my trades. My trades. And I'm not doing a face cam for this one. I've never done a live. I wanted a live stream today, but I've never done a live. What do you call it? A live breakdown of what I'm doing. Normally, I just do them throughout the day. I trade and then I just analyze it after. Right now, this is a live trade, so I'm probably gonna post this in a bit. I also have a market recap for last week that I haven't posted, and I know I was supposed to post it, but that's coming out today, most likely. So yeah, this is really good. I mean, it could be bigger, not gonna lie. Like, we can even say that this is still fairly up, you know? But let's drop it down here. Next on the 4 hour. Oh, it's different. There's no news for today, tomorrow neither. Oh, Wednesday. And these are 1. So over there would be like 2. So I hope you get the point when I talk about like time. We are an hour less than them, like most markets. So for since this applies to us, it would be for at 1 p.m. Also this. It'll be like around the same time, probably the same volume. Thursday. I think this is not like a big deal. I don't think it should be a real trade. It is at 10:30, so I don't know. We do not trade pre-market, so I don't know how this will play out. Maybe it could help, maybe it couldn't. Still waiting on whatever happens with this. I could drop it just because I want to see what's going on. Okay, we're about to reach these highs. I don't know, I have a feeling it's just gonna touch these highs, these highs, and it's gonna create equal highs, and it could start shorting. But Friday, oh, pretty sure these are gonna be the same thing. But still, pre-market, I don't know if we want to trade those. We don't really, but it does affect the market sometimes. What about S&P? What is it doing? Probably have it on the wrong one. Okay. Damn, it's just ripping. Yeah, it's just longs for this. S&P's delayed index. I think we're gonna enter longs today. Yeah, we're literally targeting these highs. So I'm gonna enter a position on longs. I was still checking. Wow. Yeah, it's just. This could really turn around. But it's the 1 minute time frame. It really, it's not on. It shows what it could happen. But at a more detailed base, 5 minute is still bullish. We'll see what happens. Okay, we're gonna check that one. Oh my god, this is so weird. I really wanna go for longs, but I don't know. Just drop down, it's kinda scary. Yeah, it still could have been if I really got more on it. It kinda broke through it, but we haven't seen a continuation of break of structure. Yeah, I'm pretty sure I'm going to enter. Yeah, the website for the news called Forex Factory. I've always I wondered what it was until like recently. So that seen videos and then I saw Forex people using it, and I seen that most people use it. It's pretty accurate with the news. I've never seen it miss the news. Honestly, because I miss the news. Yeah, I think I'm gonna enter longs. Okay. Yo, it's a big push. So either if I see like a slow start to it, my first target could be this, but I'm anticipating it's gonna come all the way up here. Yeah, we're green on today right now. If any of y'all don't like the music on what I'm playing, sometimes I use this type of music or more high music to hype myself up in the mornings. But if y'all don't, just let me know. Okay. Small retrace. It's okay. Yeah, I'm risking a big chunk, but I'm also in a big chunk. If it reach, let me see. I don't kind of disclose what I'm doing on my phone right now, but I am up 100,000 on the day, and we're not even hit. We're barely through our. Holy shoot! This could be my biggest day. If it doesn't move at all, I'm gonna look at the 1 minute. If it doesn't move that much, I'm probably going to. I do? You know why? This market today is kind of a bit slow. Yeah, we could have capitalized on all of these, but it's okay. Patience sometimes wins. Most of the time, it does. It does pay off. Half of my positions, I'm going to put TPs on them. The other ones, I'm gonna do a high TP. This could easily be a small retrace. Now edit the position. It's kind of hard. Like, okay. I like to stay on a 5 in 1 minute just to see what's really going on. But I used to use the 15. I still do whenever I'm not sure where price is going or if it's just stuck. Sometimes it could be stuck. Ooh, sure. It's okay. Everybody's having a great day today. It's been snowing a lot. But I think today's the last day. Wait, what? You know? Oh, that one already had a TP. I was able to change it. Damn. So now I'm moving. But do the rest up here. What? which could potentially be my biggest trade. So I am risking a lot. Holy shit. Okay. We are over what we wanted. Either you can just target these guys. Wow. Oh, dude. I don't know what I moved. Hope I can fix it later. So you do like to review my trades. I can tell you this. These, all of these. So I would say if we make it through here, we can probably make it through here. To the 5 minute. Oh, my turn first turn. Yeah, it's this one. Probably restless, but I don't know if I should close position here. It's kind of bad. Yep. Delay session. I think I will close early. Not the best trade, not the cleanest trade, but some days I kind of like this. Could have really got it from the start. It's okay. Or if we can get like halfway here, I'll be good with that. I don't know. We could really just draw from here. I am also trying to pass an eval, so it's a smaller win on the day, but we are there. Wow. retrace. It's filling up orders. I don't see a full reversal on this yet. Yep. And from here it starts to look clean. Man. It's okay. Oh, that is scary. Oh no. Let's be patient here. If it kind of goes to here, yeah, we're closing our position. It's not looking good. I mean, this is what the market could give us for the rest of the day. Whoa, what did I just do? Just bought a position, what the heck? This could very well be the same thing as here. I mean, my video gets copyrighted. Oh, let me go. So I'm listening to ignore that, but yeah. Damn, this trade is taking forever. It's already 30 minutes. Yeah, I just feel like it's forever, but yeah, volume really starts to die down after this. Technically, it's 10 a.m. already. I don't know. Thinking of closing all my positions. Shoot. Wow. Could very well be a retrace. Yep. Let's just stick to a strategy and not bring any emotions out. Because when I do that, I really miss out on a lot of opportunities. Yeah, it's literally an uptrend. It's like kind of clear. Up, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up. And this is starting to look really choppy, and I don't like this at all. We don't have any news today. Also with Forex, something really cool that you could do is check out the time frames or like the sessions. So this will tell you what session we're in, kind of what the end of London session looks like. This would be, we consider kind of both these Asian session, London, New York. Okay, Just looks like a retrace. Just having a small retrace. Small retrace. You're kind of shooting for the moon. This is literally taking a bit of a time. Meanwhile, I wanted to talk about. I'm actually working on a video that's more of like psychology since it's snowing. Um, kind of talked about how putting God first, or just putting, yeah, putting God mainly first on everything that you do could really like 10x everything that you're doing. Oh, I don't like this, but yeah. If I talk more about like a bit of religion, I'm not really trying to put that in anybody's head that they have to follow God. But if you feel like you're lost and you you're stuck with a lot of things, finding God is one of the best things that have helped me in my trading career or anything I've done. And I felt like even if as a Christian, even though I'm like a strong believer in Christianity, I still like that. Whenever I did anything, I would never fully put God first. Recently, I've been doing this a lot, like way a lot more. It's been really helping me. I do take losses. That's not gonna. I'm still human. That's not gonna change anything. But I've taken more wins than losses, and I've seen what trading is capable of doing in my life. Just going at it, like really trying and trying every day. Like not really being a perfect human being, but if you're trying and God sees it, you're really trying. God believes in you. Like, He sees that. That's all gonna work out. Of course, you can't just be sitting down and expecting it to work out. You're gonna have to put action. That's what I wanna emphasize this year. I felt like I wasted most of my years. That's why this year, I don't really care. Like, I am a bit camera shy, but the more I do it, the more I'll get used to it. I wanna do more content, not to get big on social media, just to help others. Anybody can really do this. Damn, this price action is not that good. I think we're gonna close our position. That's it for the day. Man, I lie. Yeah, this is not looking good. Let's close our positions. And that's it. Yeah. Yeah, that'll be it for me. I don't like where this is going. Basically, close around here. Of course, I didn't risk all of this. Probably risk less, but anyway, yeah, I want to talk about a little bit more what that video would be about, because I just ramble about like how what trading could be, what trading is for me, what trading and why trading. Like that's what I want to emphasize. I want to explain a little bit of that video. I want to talk about more of like what helped me get out of that box of will it work? You know? So yeah, for that video, I hope you kind of watch it with an open mind. And if you have something to say, you could always put it in the comments. I want to get better at this. Yeah, look. Whoa. You did not like that one. That would have put me back, like really last. But might retrace from here, honestly. Yeah, it touches this high. No wonder. It's probably a take profit right here instead of all of these highs. But still a good attempt. Well, anyways, yeah, I could always leave it in the comments. I want to get better at communicating. I feel like making these videos makes me a bit, oh my lord, makes me a bit of a better trader. I'm not gonna lie, because I talk more and I feel like I have to think a little bit more of what I am really doing. Sometimes I don't even think of what I'm doing, like what lows are, like even, oh wait, if we were to go low, we could target these, and these. We'll see next time. Yeah, this is what I do normally. I always mark out. I always get to my indicator. You don't have to have it, but I would recommend it. It's called ICT kill zones. You just type it in. A lot of people use it. I've seen a lot of good traders use it, and it's just to really mark out or like how the day is going, just to check. You shouldn't really have it all the time. Whoa, this is not it, bro. Just we could really go shorts here. Yeah, not bad. Not raise as much. Can really tell you this. This is not a serious trade. I'm not really looking for these. But yeah, I wanted to talk about a little bit more of what has been going, why trading. Yeah, I want to start making psychology videos because trading is like mostly psychology. You have to be in a in the right mind to be doing this type of things. Because in paper or like in the videos, it literally just looks like I'm clicking buttons and I'm done, you know? But once you start seeing your P&L really look red and really start like losing money that you could have used for like other better things, maybe even your life, probably need it for rent or something. If you lose that money, then it becomes really scary. That's why I say psychology, you have to be in the right mental space for you to be able to trade or anything in life. If you want to be good at something, you always have to have a clear mind. And yeah, that's mainly my next upcoming videos that I want to have. More psychology. I want to start making videos for fair value gaps. What are inverse fair value gaps? Like all of my actual core what do you call 'em? Confirmations that I use to enter a trade. What I look on my daily bias. My daily bias is a pretty simple one. Just go to the 1 hour. Just check out these. If it's blue, technically I would just say it's going up. If it's like really dark and it keeps like looking like, let me show you an example. Look at this. It's blue, but it's going down, 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 down. So you see, we are bearish on the day. You could even say this: up, 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 down, 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 up, down, down, down. That's how we check the bias kind of for today. For today, it was a pretty bullish day. It was going up. We kind of should have entered around here. It's fair value gap. They didn't serve that much of a purpose. It was just old fair value gap. Could have probably used for later or last night's trades. Let me check actually. Yeah, that fair value gap could have been helpful for yeah, London. Didn't really apply with ours, but sometimes um oh, wait, you retraced. Oh. At least we're up on the day. Yeah, this is my Monday recap. Basically live trading because I did this all live. I don't have a script, I don't have nothing. This is what I normally do. I do some things different, which I will start explaining a bit more. You should, if you have a lot of questions, you should watch TJR, where I will soon start posting more. These are my color palettes for my candles, basically TJRs. This indicator is from PB Trading, like Patrick and Blake. If you watch any of them, you should probably get better information from them. But I will start posting my strategy. It's mainly TJRs, but he does wait till price does something else. He does wait way longer. Like right now, or like around here, he should be entering a trade, which I don't. I kind of trade exactly at 9:30 normally, like at 9:32, 35. I don't like to trade after, just mainly because the volume is higher and you see more of what's going on. Like right now, it's pretty slow, and look, we're gonna get up, down, and we're getting it down again. So that's why I try to take my profits before for this. Wow, we took a 1 to 9. No, 1.9. Is it 1 to 9? I would say like 1 to 2 around there. I don't know. Yeah, this is mainly all for this video. Look, we're about to hit our target again, which is this. Oh no, this is all gonna be for this video. I'm posting 2 more videos today, and this is also going up. This is just a raw, like, reality of what I really do. It's nothing special about it. It's just the same thing over and over. Or sticking to my strategy actually paid off. I've been listening to a lot of streamers and all other stuff, and I've been losing a lot just because of that. Listen to yourself. Like, really sticks to your strategy if you believe it 100%. If you're still learning, then it's okay to like listen to other people, but you should learn it instead of copying them. That's where you see the results. Like, you really see what works and what doesn't. Sometimes their strategy could be taught a different way, but sometimes it's outdated or something else. And it's not really that it won't work, it's just that you haven't experienced it that much. Whoa, get that candle. So yeah, getting experience on the charts, it's like something that you should prioritize, especially in the markets. My strategy is not always this. So yeah, my fair value gaps and SMTs. I don't really use SMTs. Started using them recently when I shorts. That's the main thing. But fair value gaps and inverse value gaps are the bit, like the core of my trading. It's most people's trading. Yeah, look. Oh my God, this candle. Whoa, yeah, we're gonna hit those. I kinda wanna go longs here. No, dude. Kinda wanna see what it plays out. If I would've checked out, I don't know. I don't know if I should risk it. I don't know. Yeah, yeah. Looks good, but nah, we're not risking it. It's kind of dumb. That's why it's important just to really get in these charts, because things like this could happen. Yeah, some people trade after hours, and I've seen big results. Well, that was Seen big results from some people, like whenever they traded, where was it? I don't know, I don't remember that well. But the Trump tariff thing, I think it was a Wednesday. My God, dude, cannot find it. Hope this video is not too long. I did want to do a live stream so people can just really just go through the snippets of what's going on. Damn, I've been losing way too much. Monday, I just checked what? Monday 12. Oh yeah, it's down here. Sure, I cannot find it. I don't know where we're at. Wow, dude. Yeah, just literally gonna touch this. Yeah. I didn't want to risk this because look, we're about to come down here. I would say get out of fair value up here. So you could probably take your trade. Yeah, this is all for today. That's probably all I'm gonna record. This is Monday recap. It was a good day. We're agreeing on the day. The month's about to be over and we're agreeing on the month. Yeah. I hope everybody has a blessed day. And bye.